Ready to move on from your Relay account, but not sure where to start? Maybe you're downsizing, consolidating, or your business needs have simply changed. Whatever the reason, closing a Relay bank account is a straightforward process. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Before you take the leap, there are a few things you need to do to make sure the process is smooth. First, make sure you've zeroed out your balance. Transfer any remaining funds to an external bank account. This is a crucial step because Relay can't close an account with a positive or negative balance. Next, if you have any recurring payments or direct debits set up, you need to update them. This could be anything from payroll to software subscriptions. You don't want a missed payment to disrupt your operations, so take the time to update these connections to your new bank account. And finally, download and save any statements or documents you might need for your records. The IRS recommends keeping financial records for at least 3 years, and sometimes up to 7, so it's a good idea to have a backup just in case. Once you've taken care of those preliminary steps, you're ready to close the account. You can do this by sending an email request to Relay's support team. In the email, simply state your request to close the account and provide the reason. You'll also need to confirm that you've transferred all funds and have saved any necessary documents. They may ask for some additional information to verify your identity, so be prepared to provide that. The Relay team is usually pretty quick, and once they've confirmed everything, they will process the account closure for you. And that's it. Closing your Relay account is as simple as that. Just remember the key steps. Zero out your balance, update your recurring payments, save your financial documents, and send the email request to their support team. Taking these precautions will save you a lot of headache down the road. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.